How to fix if app crashing in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart, again click on restart, restart your phone. Now go back. After that, update apps. Open Play Store, click on your profile, click on manage apps, add device, click on updates. Here you will see update apps. Select app that you want to update. After selecting app, click on update. After click on update, your selected app will be updated from your phone. And if you want to update all apps, then click on update all. After click on update all apps will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Again open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, scroll down, click on reset all settings. Again click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, all settings will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, open or close app. Now open app list. Select app that you want to open. After selecting app will be open. Now go back. Now selected app will be closed from your phone. This is how you can fix fix if app crashing in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.